everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Stories. Tonight, Nkunzi will make an example with his own son after he discovers that he is the one who was selling oswidi, the fake alcohol, in the community and inside his business. Nkunzi conducted his own investigation and it led him straight to his son Sbonelo, who was earlier warned about the consequences of his action. It was not easy for Sbonelo to stop doing his business because it was doing very well, even though it was illegal. Guys, Njeza tried to warn Sbonelo because he knew what Nkunzi is capable of. He recently dealt with him accordingly. At the time he was stealing cables, so he didn't want to get into any trouble. Nkunzi will humiliate Sbonelo by pouring him with his own alcohol and beat him with the shambok in front of everyone. Sbonelo thought because Nkunzi is his father, he won't punish him. But guys, uhambe wrong. After what Nkunzi did, guys, to Sbonelo, do you think Sbonelo will accept him as his father or not? Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.